Hey, what's up YouTube? We're gonna get a whole display box opening of Gold Series. Go ahead. Oh snap. There we go. Make sure to open it on the mat and not get in the way of the camera. Alright, box number one, pack number one. The packaging is killing us. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, pack number one. Make sure to open on the mat. Alright. Oh, there we go, Dante. First pack.
Sounds good.
Norito, something I can't see.
It's a mistake and one of those Cosmo.
Cool.
You got the Stardust.
Arcanite. You just put them on top of each other, like one over the other. Arcanite, Ice Hand, Stormforth, new card. Burning Fire Lake.
Yeah, there's Phantom Knight.
Alright, box number two.
That's good. Didn't even know that.
Yeah, especially cards that have never come out yet. People having hard times opening.
Just do it for the video. You're famous already, dude. You're coming out on the video. Famous already.
Hey.
Wow, that's so good.
Oh snap!
World famous.
Focus.
Andy Raya. That's the Cyclone.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, we missed it. That's the Cyclone, Fime Girl, Pleiades.
Another Phantom Knight.
Another Phantom Knight trap card, and another Bring of This.
Those things are just pretty expensive.
Shidori's worth something. Fire Hand. Draco Face Off. New card. I don't even know what that card is. People that are watching this probably know what it is. I don't. Red Eyes Flare. Oh no, Cowboy, never mind. Some Deep Dark Charcoal. Ameritech. New guy. Another Burning Abyss. Alright, next one. You can go ahead and like just help him open just the packaging if you want. Make it faster. He gets to open the packs and we get to pack number one of box three. Luster, new card, Spell Shattering Arrow, new card, and Burning Abyss Dude. Next pack. Ooh, Vector. Horn. Radiant Mirror Force. New card. Traveler.
This card came out damaged. Yeah.
What happened?
Came out dented. Look, the whole pack came out dented.
Oh, snap. Oh, nope. Getting away. You can't really tell with the camera, but it's like dented on the corner. Alright, next pack. Norito again. Strawman. And then let's change to Sweater card and Virgil. Alright, next box. Fourth pack. Fourth box. Alright, Black Rose Dragon. This nigga needs another reprint. Treacherous Trap Hole. Another Galaxy Cyclone. New Dude, Junk Dude. And a Barabar. I actually know the name of that one. Oh, sweet. You got another Ignister. That one's pretty hard to pull. Ignister. What is that? Cosmo?
Cosmotown.
Cosmotown. Well, I can barely tell that's another Jacko Face Off. And Dark Advance. And another Farfa? No, Libic. It's Libic. Alright, this is the last box, right?
Yeah, that's the last one right there.
Is this in that box?
No, this is...
Alright, last pack of the fourth box. Yeah. Another Cowboy. Time Space. Reasoning. New card.
Break this for me real quick.
And Dante Pilgrim. Our last box. Here we go. A Abyss Dweller, Ice Hand, Breakthrough Skill, new card,
I kind of need him.
and Fire Lake. Next pack. That's the first Majester Paladin I've seen. Void Trap Hole, Mistake, something, and last card, another Burning Abyss guy. Last pack, another Ignister.
No giant hands yet?
Nah.
Treacherous, Mask Change? Bring some card.
That's a nice
And Scarm. Alright, that's it for that display box. Stay tuned for more Gold Series openings.